Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to do exam revision, only ways. Start by choosing one subject and a specific goal for your first study block, then set a timer and focus fully for 25 minutes. After each block, take a 5-minute break to move and reset your attention. Repeat cycles, and after 4 blocks, take a longer break to recharge and review what you learned before moving on. Use active techniques to cement knowledge and spot weak areas quickly. Practice with past papers and time yourself to simulate exam conditions, then check answers for patterns of mistakes. Teach key ideas aloud or record quick voice notes to reinforce memory. Trim notes to compact cheat sheets with formulas and facts you struggle with, and review those cheat sheets every evening to keep concepts fresh in your mind. If you're enjoying these study tips, please subscribe and like to support the channel. It really helps. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker can play focus playlists, set multiple timers, and gently announce breaks so you stick to study blocks, making revision feel effortless and a bit more fun. I've found it great for keeping rhythm while I study. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Create a realistic weekly schedule that balances focused study with rest and exercise to keep both brain and body sharp. Block out specific times in your calendar and treat them like appointments you cannot miss. Prioritize regular sleep so your memory consolidates, and add short walks or quick workouts to boost mood and focus. Small, consistent habits beat last-minute cramming and help you enter exams confident and calm.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.